One day the holy Baal Shem Tov and his students crashed into a house, meaning they went to a house, and obviously the host saw them and was so elated, so excited by the presence of such a holy rabbi and his students, he invited them, took care of them for a whole full week. At the end of the week, when they left, the man was left with nothing. Every single penny that he had, he spent on his guests. And he turned to God and said, God, please send me sustenance. Thank God something happened, and overnight a business deal came, somebody left money, and he was able to make a fortune. A month or so later, the Baal Shem Tov visited him again and apologized for coming when he didn't have anything. But this was really a favor he was doing him. At that moment, my friend, the Baal Shem Tov said, you have to know that there was a great blessing of wealth waiting in heavens for you. But they were waiting for you to ask for it. And unfortunately, you just didn't want to ask for it because you didn't want to ask anything from God. Sometimes we need to ask in order for the blessings to come. So, next time you want something, speak to God. God is your Father. God is your Master. God is the source of all your blessings. Just turn to Him and ask Him from the bottom of your heart and see the blessings flowing your way.